Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out this scarifier right here, how to set it up, why we use it, and how to use it. So let's dive in. All right, so I want to show you all the little pieces we have right here. As you can see, it's really a nice design, works really well. It comes, all you have to do is put these arms on here, and what you're going to do is just put them in, and you have these little clamps on there. They're going to clamp up tight to make sure that everything stays nice and tight on there. This is how you're going to get it to go here in just a moment. It also has a little holder because this is electric, so you will need one of those. It also comes with a little bag, a thatch bag. I'll show you that in just a moment. And it even has a handle on the top so you can pick it up and carry if you need to. It's also nice because it will fold back down once you're done. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. You're going to press the button and then pull back the little lever up top, and that's how you engage here. And what you're actually doing is trying to open up some of this grass here so that you are able to get in there so that the roots can actually grow, so that you can get nutrients, you can get water and even fertilizer down into the soil and into the bottom of the grass. And so again, you're going to start with the scarifier like I'm doing right here. And this is a great way to just really open everything up. While you're opening it up, it will actually grab some of that thatch on the top as well. But this is going to help get some of that grass. If it's really thick in there, or it has a lot of just grass on top of everything, or maybe there's other items that you need to open up, this is really going to help you guys get a lot of that thickness and that thatch off the top and open everything up so that you can get nutrients and fertilizer down where it needs to go. So I went ahead and did a couple of passes right here showing you guys what this actually does. I did it pretty low just so you guys will be able to see. You will need to cut your grass and make sure that everything is trimmed so you actually get a good use from the scarifier. So you can see all the stuff that we have done right here in just a few passes in the yard. It looks really good and has really opened up this area. And then you can also see right here in the bag all of the thatch and all of just the top dressing and everything in there. That is incredible. There was so much, again, just top dressing and also just other dead grass and other things like that on there. So I went ahead, took that off, and I'm going to throw it over here in the woods. I did want to show you guys as well, it's super easy to switch it. So once you've done that and once you've used that, they also have a thatcher in there as well. And what this is going to help do is just kind of take a lot of that layer off the top, kind of help rake it off of there and get it so it can open up. And so again, nutrients and soil and other things like that can get down into the areas that it needs to do. So all you're going to have to do is just unscrew this one little screw on there. Then you're going to grab your dethatcher here, and it just kind of slides in to a little screw hole there. Then it just slides in. You have a little cover over it. Pop that cover in, and then tighten down this little holder right here. So it's really easy to do. It only took you about 45 seconds to switch this entire thing out. So super easy and convenient for that purpose. So I'm going to do the same thing right here and just show you guys that what we're doing is just actually grabbing some of that thatch, and you're going to be moving it out of the way. So the same thing like I mentioned earlier, what you're doing is actually grabbing some of the excess grass and dead grass and just thickness in there so you can have some room and space. It is nice because the scarifier will actually get down a little bit lower and grab some of the roots and kind of open it up so you can get everything in there if you're going to pour in some nutrients and some fertilizer. And this is just going to help you get all the topsoil and all the top dressings off of there, so you'll make sure that you have plenty of space and you're not going to get just runoff and every kind of thing like that. So if you're going to be working on your lawn, fixing everything, you definitely need to do this to make sure that all of the items can get all the way down where they need to go. So a couple thoughts on this item right here. I really like it. I think it does a really good job and it's super easy to put together, works really well, and has done a good job so far on this run right here. This was sent to me to review, and so I do want to say that. But I think this is something that I would recommend anyone using, especially someone that's working on their lawn, trying to make it look as nice as possible. One thing that did kind of was tough for me was trying to get used to the electric part. It was a little more difficult using that because I am used to gas, so having the cord behind me was kind of difficult. And I did want to show you guys just, again, all the thatch right here. We can see another huge load of thatch coming off the top right there. A lot of just grass and other dead stuff right there. So getting that out of there is definitely going to help you get back to a nice lawn. But like I was saying, this is definitely a great option. I really like it. I like that you can adjust the height right here. That's another thing I want to show you guys. You can adjust this height, whether you want it to be really high or really low, or just kind of in between, whichever one that you need. But overall, I think it's a great item. It works really well. Did a great job. Did what it was supposed to do. I like that. But like I said, having the cord is a little difficult for me to get used to, but I do think that's kind of normal with these. Besides that, I think overall it works really well. I like all the extra engineering right here to kind of hide the cord and all types of stuff like that. So I definitely think it's something that I would recommend. Works really well. The engage switch right there is great. The bag grabbed a lot, and it did a good job in the little area I was showing you guys. But overall, I think this is something I would highly recommend. Definitely think it's going to help you make your yard be top notch. It's also great that you can fold this up and put it up, and it's going to hang up somewhere really small. It even comes with a little hook that you can actually hang it up somewhere if you don't want it on the ground. So that's a really great feature as well. But overall, I think it's a great one. If you're looking for some type of scarifier or even a dethatcher, I think this is a great option for you. I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.